Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to add social media to Wix. So if you want to add it, so like usually you want to add it down the bottom or wherever you want to add it, and you're trying to figure out how to add social media, all you got to do is go to this plus here and click add elements, and you want to go to social, and now you get to choose which one you want to put in depending on the theme that you want, or depending on the look that you want. You want to click one, so I want to click this one here. And there you go, it has added it there. And if you don't want it here, or like you want it up here, or you want it down the bottom here, depending on where you want it, you just drag it and drop it. And there you go. And now you click on this YouTube here, and now you go set social links, and you want to click this one here, and all you got to do is put YouTube there. And now you want to add your link, so you want to go here, and I want to add my YouTube link here, so copy that, and I go back to Wix here, and I click paste, and now I click done, and I click done again, and now I publish, and now I'm going to see if it actually has added that. So I go visit site, and now I scroll down, and as you can see it has Instagram. I click on Instagram, but I didn't put Instagram in there, so it's not coming up, but I did put my YouTube in, so I'm going to click YouTube. And there you go, it has taken me to my channel. So yeah, so that is how you add social media to your Wix. And that's pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy, hit that subscribe button and like and comment. Peace.